You want to jump together? 3, 2, 1.
I can't.
Today on the Lazy Geckos, we're enjoying some lovely water.
We had a wonderful day with the kids on shore, checking out Shark Alley. Really, it's like Turtle Alley.
We'll take you for a dinghy ride before Jeremiah will wrap up that Watermaker issue.
This unit was mounted inside, and this piece that's made of plastic, it broke.
We've been having major issues with our Spectra. Today is a last-ditch attempt.
Was it fun?
Ready? Let's do it. We've been cooped up for far too long. It was time to go exploring.
What do you think of these turtles?
They're cool.
There's a million of them.
Yeah, we found it finally on this side of the island.
Oh, there's one right there.
Alright, we finally found Shark Alley. It was beautiful. Reese got to snorkel it a bit and see. What'd you guys think?
Even though it's a little windy today, once you got in there, it was totally calm, and you could see like just the depth and contour and all the turtles. And how cool was that?
What'd you think?
It was cool.
Are you waiting on me to jump in?
Yes.
Tell you what, finish that bottle of water and I'll jump in.
What?
As soon as you're done that bottle of water, I will jump in.
I'm so poor now.
No, do not waste that water. Water is crucial on the boat, especially when you don't have a working water maker.
I'm ready to pull it out. You said you want to wait till after dinner and all this stuff.
Yes,
Okay.
please. I can't take it.
All right.
We have too much going on. I just set Bryn down for a nap. I'm gonna take like an hour, jump in with the little man. This one's from Bikini Addiction. It is so cute. Actually, when I was in the water, the fish were pulling on the bikini. I think it looks like coral. I'm gonna sip on a little bit of wine, just a small glass to try to relax, have a little sundowner, and then Reese and I will be jumping in the beautiful ocean. It's so nice here. High five. What? Oh, come on, Reese. You want to jump together? 3, 2, 1.
I can't. I'm already wet, so come on,
Was it fun?
I didn't think about it. It's very salty.
Yes, it's seawater.
down so hard by doing that. My entire body went under quitting this.
Let's get out!
Bryn, you're on your own. It feels nice. We had a wonderful day with the kids on shore, checking out Shark Alley. Really, it's like Turtle Alley. Got back, jumped in there with Reese while Bryn was napping. Dinner should be super easy because I'm just doing leftovers from last night. And Jeremiah's like, I can't wait any longer. I gotta tear into this Watermaker. It seems like his idea, and he's had many. He woke up this morning, he was doing all sorts of stuff. He's been trying to get this thing working, and finally he's like, I'm just gonna tear it out and hang it off the boat. I'm like, yeah, it seems like that needs to be what happens. I think we're kind of both over it, and we don't want to stop cruising, like meaning going back to the States because that's the closest point, or pull into a marina because of it. So we're just gonna hang this POS off the side of the boat. Really, it's like, it shouldn't be like this. It's a very expensive piece of equipment. It's marine grade. Well, you'd think, until they put a plastic fitting on there that just snaps. We brought it into the Top Guy. We spent $2 grand to get it all redone. Like, we have spent so much time and money, energy, stress on this piece of equipment. Spectra. We really don't talk badly about anything. We aren't sponsored by anything. Well, we may have a few. Maybe one sponsorship. For me to say that is it means something, because we really don't talk badly about anything. Whether or not he puts this on the film, I don't know. But yeah, for such an expensive piece of equipment, it's not good. Got mascara all down my face from jumping in. I forgot waterproof mascara, so it is what it is. I'm not gonna get in there because it's just gonna make them hot. He worked on it this morning while it was kind of overcast and storming, which was nice. And then the heat of the day kind of picked up and I'm like, stop. You know, it's not worth your health or having a heart attack over. It's, you know, just water. It's just essential. There's, you know, we could always figure it out. We had half a tank, so I've been milking it. I haven't done any dishes.
Honey,
Yeah?
you get down that hole.
Yep. I'm down in the hole.
You're gonna stop that from falling
This.
by
Oh,
holding the black piece, not the silver.
okay.
To remove the membrane, Jeremiah will unbolt it from the bulkhead while I support the other end from falling.
That's as far as I can go.
Okay.
This is totally not what we wanted to do. Now the unit will be back on deck, which puts it at even more risk of being damaged, but we need water.
That has to stay open. And this water has to come out of here and go out there. And I can't lean it up here. I can't lean it on this. It's gonna spray far when it's on. That's just our fresh water. All right, that might work. All right, I'm gonna start it. Spectra. Great piece of gear. My opinion, personal opinion, I think it's a piece of shit. Hopefully it shoots it off, you know? This unit was mounted inside down here up on the wall, and this piece that's made of plastic, it broke. So right now we're just letting it, we poured it out and we're gonna let it make water by dumping the brine water all over the boat. And we installed a Seawater Pro, but we let it sit too long and the membranes aren't good. So we're going to focus on getting something better for sure. But
The
for now,
Seawater Pro.
we're trying to walk. Yeah, right. For now, we're trying to make this work, and this is how we're doing it. I mean, we're making water right now, and that's key.
That's huge because we are out of water in the berries. Listen, ladies, I know you're with me. I haven't washed my hair in days. I have been going without, but today I'm like, you know what? Like, I can't do this anymore. Look at this. Thank goodness we have water.
Coming up next time,
We're on the move again.
we're headed for a blue hole. Well, after we squeeze this baby over a shallow sandbar,
You handled that like a boss.
we'll find a private anchorage.
What are you doing up here?
I would like to slap on one of my Malibu strings.
And I'll toss on some new bikinis.
Oh, I love it. Jeremiah woke me up at 1:30 in the morning just like panicking.
All before we have a bit of an emergency.
Felt like I was in the Twilight Zone.
Want more? Check us out at lazygeckos.net. Remember, patrons can get complimentary access. You can also visit our Vimeo channel. The link is below. Don't forget to click subscribe to get all of the fun. See you next week.